This is our automatic coupling grooving machine. The machine is driven by servo motors, enabling high-precision grooving of copper pipe fittings. It integrates automatic positioning, feeding, grooving and blanking functions, with no manual intervention required throughout the process. It can meeting the strict requirements of a STMB88 American standard and N1057 European standard. The grooving wheels are made of wear-resistant alloy, with a service life more than 3 times longer than that of ordinary materials. It is widely used in the mass processing of red copper pipe fittings in fields such as air conditioning, refrigeration, water supply and drainage, and gas transmission.